Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial for the new Battlegrounds 2.0 update. This tutorial will cover the basics of the plugin and will teach you how to set up your first simple game. The installation of the plugin is really simple. All you have to do is go over to the plugin page, download the jar file. Once you've got the file, you select it, copy, and then head over to your server files, go into the plugins folder, and then paste the jar file in there. That's all you need to do. Once you've done this, you're ready to use Battlegrounds. Once you have installed the plugin and booted up to your server, you can type /pg to verify whether Battlegrounds is running correctly. Let's create our first game and arena. Let's start off by creating a new game in which we will host our arena in. We do this by executing the create game command. The ID parameter you see here will be the ID of your game. This should be a number and can be any number you like. In this case, I'll just give my game the ID 1. Now that we have created the game, we can add an arena to it. But first, we have to select it. Type /pg_want to give yourselves the selection tool. With this, we select the whole arena. Let's click to select your first position. And right click to select the second position of the arena. Now, once you have captured all of the arena, we can add it to the game with the create arena command. It has two parameters. The first should be the ID of your game. In my case this is 1. And then the arena parameter should be the name of the arena. This can be any name you like. Now that you have an arena, we can add spawns to it. To add a spawn, you go over to a location where you want to set a spawn. And then we use the add command to add a spawn to the arena. Once again, the ID parameter is the ID of your game. Arena is the name of your arena. And the component parameter is the type of your component. In this case it is a spawn. For arguments, in case of the spawn, it has to be the team ID of the spawn. I recommend giving it 1 or 2, since you probably have 2 teams in your team deathmatch game modes. So for this case I will add a spawn to team 1. So now you see you have added a new spawn with the component ID 1. So let's add a couple more. Let's add one here. And as you can see, this one has the ID of 2. Let's add another one here. And one more over here. And now let's fly to the other side of the arena to add some spawns for the other team. So this time we specify 2 as the team ID. So let's also add 4 spawns for the other team. So when you have added your spawns, you're ready to move on to the last few steps. To add a waiting lobby, we can use the command setLobby to add a waiting lobby for your game. In this case, the ID parameter is the ID of your game. To add a join sign to your game, we need to place down an empty sign block, and while looking at it, we need to execute the command setGameSign. Once again, the ID parameter is the ID of your game. Once you have executed this command, you should see the game state displayed on the sign. A cool way to get an overview of your whole plugin setup, you can use the BG settings to open up a GUI in which you can see what things you have set up in your plugin. In each component you can teleport to it or you can remove it by left or right clicking. When you follow these steps, you will have a playable game, so go ahead to call over a few friends to see if the game actually works. And that about wraps up this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck setting up your own first game.